Hey, what's up, guys? Sir Crypto. Guys, today we're gonna talk about Solana and how high Solana can go. Guys, before I show you what I want to show you about Solana, I want to quickly invite you to the Discord. It's absolutely free. Guys, we trade stocks, we trade crypto. Just last week, I mean, look at those trades. Like we had while WLD, and this one's been at some point like 1200%. Okay, we had Pengu that was like over 350%. Like, guys, we have such a nice wins, especially last week when everyone was bearish. Like, literally everyone that I know, because I'm in different groups as well, like, everyone I know has been shorting, literally everyone. And I was like, I don't think that's gonna play out like that because not everyone's gonna win in this game. If you've been here longer than one cycle, you know, like basically the charts do completely opposite. Okay, the chart always goes where the max pain is, and this time the max pain was to the upside. That's why we've been positioning ourselves to the upside. Okay, I mean, look at this trade. We went in on the 93 pence. Sorry, 93 cents for people in the US, or I'm in UK. So 93 cents on the 9th. So yesterday. That's when basically we entered the trade, okay? And it went from 100% to 1200 within a couple of days, which is absolutely, I mean, look at this. It's been absolutely banger trade, okay? And it's not the only one. Like we constantly post in the Discord whenever we go long or short. Doesn't matter if it's crypto or stocks. Everything is being posted here, okay? You do have the VIP version of it and you have a free version. With the free version, obviously you will get less calls, but you will still get a decent calls that we think might print. So if you want to make some free money, just make sure you join the Discord, okay? It doesn't cost you anything. You can always upgrade to VIP. And that, honestly, guys, like I'm in some groups and the VIP in our group costs 30 bucks a month, and we're really thinking about increasing it because the amount of stuff you get for the money is just crazy. Okay, if you haven't got 30 bucks, that's fine. This is your chance to make 30 bucks. Just go to the signals and just wait for a pop up in crypto or stocks. Okay, guys, let's jump to the charts. Solana. Okay. How high I think Solana might go. I mean, personally, we are at the stage of the cycle where you shouldn't be really holding spot, okay? If you still have your full bag loaded in crypto, you've done something wrong, okay? You shouldn't be holding this long. There's nothing wrong with holding a part of your bag or like a moon bag, but if you hold your entire spot right now, like you need to manage your risk slightly better, okay? You might be lucky and the charge is gonna go up, okay? We're gonna get the old season that everyone is waiting for. So on Solana, before we go to the price prediction, obviously the price prediction, guys, is gonna be basically me doing this above the crystal ball, okay? Because to be honest, nobody knows. But I've been tracking this Solana chart, and Solana is looking incredibly strong. Okay, I've got a chart here. Let me just quickly find it. This one. That's basically Solana versus Ethereum. And like I said, if you've been here longer than one cycle, you know there is a rotation. Okay, so money goes into Bitcoin first, then rotates into Ethereum, then into the large caps, and then eventually the money dribble to the lower caps. Okay, so that's the technical behind that. But comparing Solana to Ethereum now, so this is Sol versus Ethereum chart. It looks like Solana is getting stronger. I mean, look at this, okay? For the past 3 weeks, we had this small bounce, okay? And if you wonder what this indicator is, I will explain you in a minute. For now, let me just tell you also, we just have the price action, okay? It looks like Solana So if this chart's gonna go to the upside, that means Solana is stronger versus Ethereum. If it goes to the downside, that means Ethereum is stronger than Solana. Okay, and we're trying to see whether we can capture this rotation, the money rotation from ETH into the larger caps now. So I'm looking and I'm betting on Solana. Solana has got the attention, you know, like everyone really knows about Solana. Whoever's in crypto is definitely trading Solana. Plus, it's easy to get. So you can just download your Phantom wallet, and you know you can hold Solana just like that. Okay, and it looks like Solana is starting to do a small uptrend here. Okay, I mean look at this. Let's go to the smaller time frame. Okay, so this is the 4-hour time frame, and as you can see, this has been a proper downtrend. Okay, just lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. What happened here right now? We are flipping this low, which means the trend is about to change now. It still might be a fake out. We might still go to the downside, but on the 4-hour time frame, it looks like now it starts to recover. We getting that V-shaped recovery. Okay, and this is something that's really piquing my interest, because if you look now on the Solana price action, okay, we are in this raising wedge. And in technical analysis, whenever you have this raising wedge, they usually tend to break to the downside. And this is not something we want to see if we're bullish on crypto. But there is another technical to it, okay? If it has more touches to the upper trend of this wedge than the lower, the chances are we're gonna break to the upside. And I think the simple term to explain it is like, imagine you do have a door, okay? If you kick that door once, then second time, then third time, then fourth time, every time you kick that door's hinges are getting weaker, and eventually they're gonna break. Okay, so just us basically hitting that top trend line makes that trend line weaker, and this is the 5th time we are poking on that trend line, and this is on the daily chart, so it is a huge one. Okay, so far we had only 2 touches on the daily. And we have how many now? I'm not counting the reversal. I'm counting this as a 1 touch. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the 5th attempt. Okay, it might be it. Okay, it might be it. If we switch to weekly now, look at this pattern. If you know anything about TA, there is a pattern called cup and handle. Cup and handle is basically the price action does this. So we have the cup, and then it does a handle, okay? And what it does after, if it breaks this trend line, it's gonna pop to the upside. And the technical target for this move is how deep this cup is. So you measure from the neckline, from this trend line to the bottom of the cup, and usually this whole move is gonna be basically this whole move is gonna be to the upside. So the depth of the candle, that's how far we're gonna get on the breakout. So if you look at this, if you look closely, we have a cup right here. Okay, I know it's not technically perfect, but you can count this as a cup, and this is our handle. Okay, it's very speculative. I'm just speculating, guys. Okay, just remember about that. There's nothing that is you know, for sure in crypto and in trading generally. Okay, but if that's the cup and handle, then how far we will get? So we need to find the cup first. So I'm saying this is our cup. Okay, we got this double bottom. Excuse me, we got this double top. So if we assume this is the top of the neckline, where is our lowest point of the cup? Is right here. Okay, boom. This is our depth of the cup and handle. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna place it on top of the neckline. Where's the neckline? Is right here. Okay. So this is where we place it. And that's gonna give us a rough estimation how far Solana can go. And to me, remember, this is just a TA technical analysis. We do this above the crystal ball, okay? It gives us a price of $510 for the target if that is a cup and handle and is about to play out. So that's basically almost like 2x. Sorry, actually, it's more than 2x. It's more than 2x from today's prices. This is 128%. This is what I'm looking at. So this would be the cup and handle scenario. Is it gonna do it though? I'm not too sure, to be honest. Like, it's really late in the cycle. So guys, I don't know. We'll see if it's gonna play out. I will definitely come back to this video and see if it did play out. If it's gonna play out, I will definitely post it. Believe me, I will post it on X and everywhere else. If it's not gonna play out, I will never mention it again. No, I mean, on the serious note, guys. I mean, who knows? Who knows? I'm just looking at the chart. This is how it's supposed to play out if it's a cup and handle, okay? If it's not, then, well, hope you don't have much money in Solana. If you do have money in Solana, you should probably start taking some profits, okay? Or at least start thinking about taking profits. You need some sort of an exit plan because my Solana bag, I've sold a little bit here and I've sold it like literally on 280 something dollars. This is where I got rid of my spot bags, okay? I haven't got any spot bags now. I've got some memes. But yeah, we do trades, but I don't hold spot. I'm just patiently waiting for the bear market. Okay, this froth that is about to come. If we will see old season, yeah, you don't want to hold for too long because you don't want to round trip the bags. Just be aware of that. Okay, and like I said, guys, Discord link is in the bio. Just make sure you join because we definitely need to like start charging more because it is ridiculously cheap for the quality that you get from the Discord. Guys, that's it for now. My name is Crypto and I will see you in the next one. Bye.